Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to get this FPS indicator on your games. First of all, open Google in your web browser and type FRAP. Now just click on the first link, it's www.fraps.com. Once the website is open, click on the download button. Click on the setup link which is under the image. Now let the application download. It might take some time. Once the application is downloaded, open the application and install it. For installation, you just have to agree the terms. You can click on browse if you want to change the default installation location, or otherwise just click on next. Once there is completed written above the progress bar, then just click on the close button. Your application is installed in your system. Now you just have to open the application. Go on the start menu and type FRAP on it. Once the application is open, make sure that the checkup box for FRAP window always on the top is ticked. Make sure you do not close the application. You just have to minimize the application and keep it running in the background. Otherwise, it won't work on your games. Now, you just have to open the games. I am having Tomb Raider installed in my PC, so I will open that. Yeah, here you go. Now you are getting the FPS. Now you can monitor your game FPS. If you are still having some issues while downloading the application, then I will leave a link for the download in the description. For more videos, like, share and subscribe. Techyy Guyz.